Alright, today we're going to be replacing the cabin filter on this 2016 Chevy Equinox. Now, most modern vehicles do have a cabin filter, and the process we go through here today is going to be the same or very similar on a lot of other vehicles. Replacing the cabin filter can not only help to increase performance of your air conditioning and heating system, but it can also help to improve the quality of the air inside the cabin, including reducing odors, okay? This one's going to be quick and painless, no tools required, so let's go ahead and get it done. Alright, we're going to start by opening the glove box. Now at the top there's a little tab that prevents the glove box from opening too far. So I'm just going to take both hands and gently apply a little bit of pressure in the downward direction on the top of the glove box. Do it again here so you can see I'm just applying a little bit of pressure, a little bit of flex. Pull that down, and then we're going to lift up on the glove box and snap it out of there. Okay, after we remove the glove box, the little door to the cabin filter housing is exposed, and there are a couple of little tabs here. Just going to push up and pull out on that. And in this case, the door just lifts up and out of the way. On some vehicles, the door will actually come off. Okay, that's the cabin filter. I'm just going to go ahead and pull that out. Now, if it's not completely white, it's because a lot of times these are carbon infused. Alright, something to keep in mind is that when a vehicle has been sitting for quite a while, say on a used car lot or something, bugs and rodents can get into the HVAC system and cause damage like this. So therefore, it's a good idea to replace the cabin filter even after buying a used vehicle that's been sitting for a while. Alright, on the replacement filter, you're going to want to look for an arrow that indicates the airflow. Okay, and in this case, we're going to put that in the downward direction because the fan is pulling air in this direction. Okay? Alright, the glove box will ride on these horizontal posts here. Okay, we're going to get it lined up and then kind of push down. We'll do the same thing. We just kind of flex the top again. I don't know if you saw me do it, but it's got a little bit of give to it. And then check to make sure that the glove box closes properly. Okay, that's all there is to it. Give me that thumbs up if you find the video helpful. If you're not a subscriber and you want to see more of this type of stuff, hit that subscribe button for me, okay? Have a great day. Thanks for watching.